my dear students. Welcome to another e-learning session. In the previous session, we have learnt about volcanoes and types of volcanoes. In today's session, let us learn about another natural disaster, earthquake. Measuring an earthquake and effects of earthquake. We often hear about earthquakes taking place in some part of the world or the other. We also know how destructive these earthquakes may be. You must be wondering, what is an earthquake and how does it happen? An earthquake is sudden movement of a part of the earth's surface. When solid rocks start shifting under the ground, they send severe shock waves upwards towards the surface of the earth. This causes violent shaking of the earth's surface. The point under the ground where the earthquake begins is called the focus. The point on the surface of the earth where the earthquake hits is called the epicenter. The places close to the epicenter are badly affected, causing great damage to life and property. During the Gujarat earthquake of 2001, a city named Bhuj was the epicenter. Many people died and many buildings were damaged in Bhuj. After the major earthquake, several smaller quakes or tremors may continue to occur. These tremors are called aftershocks. These aftershocks occur when the rocks that had moved out of the place start falling back into place. Measuring an earthquake. Not all earthquakes are destructive. Some earthquakes are weak and do not affect us much. How do we measure the strength of an earthquake? There is an instrument called seismograph that measures and records the intensity, direction, and duration of earthquakes. The scale used for measuring the intensity of an earthquake is known as Richter scale. A value of 1 on Richter scale indicates a weak earthquake that may not be felt also. An earthquake of 8 points on Richter scale indicates a massive or very strong earthquake. Effects of an earthquake. A strong earthquake causes damage to life and property. Buildings may develop cracks or even fall down. Roads and bridges get damaged. Trees get uprooted. Many people get trapped under the fallen buildings and die. Earthquakes can also occur under the sea. Such earthquakes may cause tsunamis. Earthquakes can also cause landslides and fires. Now that we know earthquakes are destructive, how do we protect ourselves when an earthquake occurs? Precautions to be taken during an earthquake. Take shelter under a table if you are indoors. Stay away from glass windows as they may break and harm you. If you are outdoors, move away from trees, buildings, and electric poles. In today's session, we have learned how earthquakes are caused, how they are measured, the effects of earthquakes, and the precautions that we can take during an earthquake. Thank you for watching this video. Until we meet again, stay home and stay safe.